Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. Binary files store data in a raw byte format instead of human readable text. They are used for images, audio-video files, pickle files, executable files and network data. So in Python, binary files are handled using the modes like RB, WB and AB. So let's understand these. First one is write binary data to a file. So let's create the data in the byte format and we'll save this into the file data.bin and we'll print a success message if the file is written successfully. So here bytes creates a new byte data and WB opens file in binary write mode and this writes binary directly to a disk. So let's see the output. So here we can see that the binary file is written successfully. Now we'll read data from the file. So here we'll read the data.binary file and we'll print the content. So this will read and print the content. RB opens file in binary read mode and output is a byte object. So let's see the output. So here we can see the output as bytes object. So the next one is write file using byte array. So for this we'll convert the data into byte array form. So here we have defined a data and now we'll write to this file using byte array. So and now we'll print a message file written successfully and now we'll see the output. What output does it gives? So here we can see the file write byte using byte array is created successfully. So byte array is a mutable binary data. It stores ASCII value of ABC. So the next one is append binary data. So here AB append byte at the end and adds the element. So here we can see the output as element appended successfully means it have added the elements. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is read binary file in chunks. So here this read file 2 bytes at a time, which is very efficient for large files, and now let's see its output. So here we can see the output of this. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is copy a binary file. So here this reads binary file and write exact copy, which is used for backup and transfers. So here we can see the output as the file is copied successfully. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is write binary data from string. So here encode method converts the string to bytes and it is stored in a binary format. Let's see its output. Let's see the output. So here we can see the output that data is stored. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is read binary and decode to a string. So here .decode method convert bytes to string, which is useful when storing compressed or encoded text. So now let's see its output. So here we can see the desired output. So binary file handling allows you to store raw data efficiently, handle images, audio and serialized object, transfer files without corruption, process large file in chunks. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.